Hello friends, in this video I'm going to take you through a coaching or a training session that I'm going to start for Certified Treasury Professional Exam, which is conducted by Indian Institute of Banking and Finance. I'm sure many of you are aware about this particular program, which is done by IIBF. However, if you need additional details, you can visit website of Indian Institute of Banking and Finance and know the relevant details of the certification exam. In this video, I will only be taking you through about the exam in brief. I will detail more about what exactly is this coaching that I'm going to provide, the fee details and other details of the program. Okay, so this particular certification, which is called as Certified Treasury Professional Exam, I'm repeating that it is conducted by IIBF, Indian Institute of Banking and Finance. The key objective is to prepare, well-trained treasury professionals, and these treasury professionals obviously will be working for banks, particularly in the front office. And after doing this certification program, it is expected that they will have better understanding of treasury operations, functioning of treasury, and many of the conceptual aspects of treasury operations, right? What is it that gets covered in this program? So there are 7 modules in all, which deal with various functions of treasuries and products of treasuries, which I will discuss with you in detail in the video at a later stage. The target group, as I have already said, is those who are either working in treasury or want to work in treasury in future. Those who are aspiring to learn about treasury and understand how the treasury functions, and do not have any immediate interest of working in treasury, can also do this program, right? So that's what the program covers. The details of it is available on the website of IIBF. So as I have said in the beginning, you can go and check over there also. Now let me quickly move on to the coaching part of it. So in order to help those who want to prepare for this exam, the online coaching is going to be started, which is by my channel Exam Prep. I'm going to be your trainer for this particular program, which is the coaching program. It's very obvious that this program is to help you prepare for the certification examination. Additionally, I would say that even if you want to learn more about treasury and not write the exam only, then also you can enroll for this program. Okay, and I have myself worked in financial services industry, including banking, for a good number of years. So I can definitely help you get a detailed understanding of the concepts related to treasury. So that's what I want to say at the outset. Now, what all can you expect to be covered as part of this program? So key concepts of treasury you will get to know. Numerical problems which are there related to calculation of repos, calculation of the call money interest rates, calculations related to the bonds, okay, the yield of the bond, and many other relevant calculations which are required as part of treasury professional certification exam will be covered, correct? And there will be separate slot which is there for questions related to this program, which means once a particular session is over, there will be questions that will be given to you that you need to attempt, so that you get to know what is your understanding of that particular session. So that's how this has been designed, right? You will get 20 MCQs after every session that you may decide to attempt there, or may attempt later if you wish to. PPTs for the program, which you will go through in each lecture, will be shared with you. There will be doubt clearing session. If you want, it will be provided separately, depending upon number of participants who show interest in such doubt clearing sessions. These are the 7 modules that I'm going to cover in the program, which is also part of the syllabus. Financial markets and role of treasury, money market operations, investments and fixed income securities, forex dealings, derivatives, model code and dealing ethics, and finally time value of money and interest rates calculations. All these are what you are expected to learn as part of the certified treasury professional program. However, I will also cover all these concepts in much more detail than what is there in the textbook or the book prescribed for this particular program. Now, the total duration of this program is going to be 35 hours, which means the coaching is for 35 hours. There will be 17 lectures of 2 hours each, which means 34 hours. There will be test of 1 hour at the end of the program. So when the program gets over, apart from the daily test that you can write, you will have to write a test of 60 questions at the end of the program, which will be mix of questions from various lectures. Okay. The program fee would be 7,500 rupees, which is for the entire 35-hour session, plus the material that you will get, which is PPT, multiple choice questions that you can attempt. Additionally, the program will be delivered online using Teams. Okay, the delivery of the program will be on Sunday. That is because many people, are conveniently placed on Sunday to, enroll for such programs and learn. Okay, the schedule of delivery will be 11 a.m. to 1 p.m., which means you have to be there to attend the program online from 11 to 1, and start date will be 27 January. So 27 January and then 17 sessions that you have to undergo on each Sunday, followed by a test in the final session. You can send an email to healthofmywealth@gmail.com if you want to know the specific details of the program. You will get enrollment form and contact details. 10% of the fee will have to be paid. That is 1,000 rupees will have to be paid 1 day before the start of the program. It's not 10%, it's 1,000 rupees flat. 20% after completion of 2 lectures, 20% after 6 lectures, and remaining 50% you have to pay after 10 lectures. Just to reiterate, the 10% amount which I have written is not actually 750 but 1,000 rupees that you have to pay. So I just want to clarify that. That's what about this particular program. I hope this video could provide you details about the program. However, if you want specific details, do not forget to write to us on healthofmywealth@gmail.com. Continue to visit this channel, like and subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for your valuable time.